The hedgehog is the wolf's friend. They usually go together to hunt in the fields and forests, but there is always cunning and deceit between them. Each wants to overthrow the other and laugh at him. One day, while they were entering a village, the hedgehog wanted to attract the dog's attention to their presence, so that they would chase the wolf until he was panting heavily. The hedgehog shouted, and the dogs came and chased the wolf out of the village while he was panting. The hedgehog hid from the dogs under a pile of cow carcasses. Meanwhile, an old woman came to collect firewood and found the hedgehog and said, "This is a fat hedgehog. It is a delicious meal." When she entered her house, the hedgehog saw a bundle of meat and dried fat hanging from the ceiling. He suspected the old woman's deceit and began to beg her not to tie him to the ceiling and to place him somewhere on the ground. The old woman said to him, thinking he would not escape from a high place, "I will tie you to the ceiling with this meat forcibly so you cannot escape." When the old woman was distracted, the hedgehog untied his bonds, took the bundle of meat and fat, and escaped. He met his friend the wolf near the village, and he wanted to deceive him again, so he said to him, "I hit my armpit with this knife, a piece of dried fat, and I eat from it. It is a miracle. You do it too." The wolf hit his armpit with the knife, fell to the ground in pain, and the hedgehog ran away laughing at the wolf's stupidity.
Trust no one. Trust no one. Even your senses can deceive you. Even your limbs will one day deceive you. Yeah. Yeah, trust no one, trust no one. Even your senses can deceive you. Even your limbs will one day deceive you.